Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and first of all we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter software information and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down to find the developer options. They should appear right under the About Phone. After entering, we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.